Hello my dear friends, welcome back to the channel The Learning Home. Let's begin with today's video of reviewing these products from Good Vibe company, and I have bought these products from the purple.com site. I have downloaded that from Play Store and I ordered it. So these are the 4 products which I will introduce to you today one by one. Let's begin with the introduction of these products. Let me tell you about this product, Active Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Now this is again a very lovely product of this brand, and everything is mentioned so well at the back of this bottle. You know, the importance of charcoal, how to use this product, what we have to be careful about, all the ingredients that are used in the development of this product. Then also we can see how to store this product. We don't have to keep it in refrigerator. You can directly just after using, you close the lid properly, keep it in your wardrobe, so you don't have to refrigerate it. So I have already used this pack, and it's almost 3 to 4 times that I have used it over a gap of 15 days, and it really helps me to get rid of all the dead skin from my skin, as well as the blackheads that I sometimes face near my nose. And this peel off mask is definitely good to go. The price that I have paid for this mask was around, I guess, 250 rupees. So for that, this quantity is definitely nice. And let me show you a little texture here. So this is the texture of this mask. You know, it's a very thick consistency, and yes, it is made from charcoal, so definitely it's going to be black. So this charcoal mask is applied all over our face for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you just have to peel it off very lightly, right? And you will definitely feel the difference in your skin. And for that, just click a picture of yours before applying this mask, and then click a picture of yours and compare the pictures definitely. So you can see the consistency. It's not very liquid form, so this is very nice. And when I applied it, I felt so much cooling sensation, and which made my skin feel relaxed. Let's talk about this tea tree oil and holy basil blackhead removal anti-aging face wash. Now this cute little bottle is more superb than this look. This bottle is not of plastic, this is of glass, so you have to be very much careful while holding this bottle or while using this face wash. So let's talk about the things. Everything is mentioned, the properties of tea tree oil, the benefits that we have, then how we should use it, then what we have to be careful about. The ingredients are mentioned, and I'm so much impressed that each and every product is healthy for our skin, and it's definitely good. Next, we also have the manufacturing date and the use before date as well. The cost which I paid for this product is almost 200 rupees. I bought it with good faith, and the reviews on the site were so much superb. So I'm just going to give it a try, and after using it, I will definitely get back to all of you to give a fair review about this. But for me, I'm hoping high that this will work. Now let's talk about this pomegranate face scrub. This face scrub is specialized in brightening face scrub, so this will help your dead skins to get off and give you a fairer look. Everything is well mentioned on the bottle, the ingredient, how to use, what we have to be careful about. So again, this product is very nice. This is my almost second bottle, I guess, because I don't use it on a regular basis. I use it like around a gap of a week approximate, because I don't have to scrub my skin a lot. But yes, after scrubbing, I can feel the dead cells going off. I can feel the brightening level of my skin. I can feel the dead particles, or I can say blackheads just going away from my skin and making it feel very nice. The price is 195, but I guess you will definitely get some discount on the purple.com site, and it will cost you little lesser. So it's a good product. It's a very nice face scrub and it's good for our skin. It's again paraben free and no mineral oil, so it's kind of a pure product. Next we have the last product of today's video is Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum. Now this face serum is very nice. I would say very nice than the other serums that we can use from Lakme or L'Oreal and other branded company. So for now this brand is taking over the our mind, and the products are really nice. So this Radiant Glow face serum is definitely a good to go with. And for me, I'm using this serum overnight. So at night I used to wash my face, then apply a little toner, and then use 2 to 3 drops of this serum and apply it all over my face. Again, everything is very well mentioned on this bottle, and the cost for this bottle was around 500. But I'm quite happy because the rest of the serums from other companies were approximate 700 or 1000 or 1100 something between that price. But for this price, this serum is very nice, and this will definitely help you to get a brighter skin, clear skin. The benefits are also mentioned on it. So this serum is really nice. You can definitely go for this, and it's a good product. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. I hope you like the content that I have shared with you today. I will be sharing more review videos about these products as well, especially this one, the Tea Tree Oil Holy Basil Face Wash. So let's hope high for the amazing result that I'm hoping for, and I will get back to you as soon as possible after using these products for 10 to 15 days.